guys, I'm here again to tell you how to do a movement. Today I'm going to show you a hammer curl and what it is. Right, a hammer curl is the move to do with your bicep. Basically, it's the opposite to an open palm faced curl. It is more where you have it like that, so your natural arm shape, and it works your bicep in a different way, as a normal bicep curl works the whole arm in the peak. The hammer curl is more of a movement where it will work the length of the muscle. So I'm going to show you how to do a hammer curl the correct way and how to do it. Right. What you want to do is you want to get some dumbbells, of course, and you want them stand by your side like that. You want shoulders back. Like I said in the mobile videos, your posture is important. You don't want to be slouching. You don't want to be with your neck hanging down. You want basically standing like to attention. Feet are just a bit apart, so you streamline, and then like a bicep curl, open face, your arms will just go up like that and then down. Like I said before, 2 seconds up, 2 seconds down. And that is all you need to do. Of course, when you get to the top, you squeeze and get that contraction, and then slowly down. And that is it. That is all what a hammer curl is. I suggest doing hammer curls together because I find it easier than doing it single. But a little tip: if you're fatiguing with 2 hammer curls, then stop and then do 1 and then do alternatives, and you'll get yourself a couple of more out. So there you go.